In this video, we're going to talk about how you add fractions when they have like denominators. When you have fractions that have the same denominator, adding them is very easy. The first thing you do is you keep your denominator the same and you simply add your numerators. So let's look at this with a visual. Let's draw a circle that has 4 parts, looking at our first example. Because it has 4 parts, it means it's in fourths. So we're going to add 1/4 and 1/4, and we have 2/4. So let's do this here. 4 is our denominator, we add the numerator, and we get 2. So the steps to adding fractions with the same denominator is keep the denominator the same, add your numerator, and then of course simplify if needed. So here we have 2/4, and we know that 2 can go into 4, so we divide both numbers by 2, and we get 1/2. Second example, 2/7 plus 3/7. First thing we check, make sure our denominators are the same, and they are, so we keep that here. We add the numerators. 2 plus 3 is 5. There are no common factors between 5 and 7 except for 1, so it's already in its simplest form. Third example, 4/9 plus 1/9. We keep our denominator the same. 4 plus 1 is 5. Your answer is 5/9. Are there any factors of 5 and 9 that they share? The answer is no. So 5/9 is in its simplest form. Last question, 2/5 plus 1/5. Step 1 is keep our denominator the same. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3/5. The factors of 3 are 1 and 3. The factors of 5 are 1 and 5. The only common factor is 1, so it's in its simplest form. 3/5 is your reduced form, simplest form. So now that you've gone through 4 examples, let's try one on your own. Let's see if you can solve what is 2/8 plus 3/8. Leave your answer in the comments. Good luck. If you want to see more math help videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And check out my website at improvemath.com to download your free printable worksheet. Thanks for watching.